Most people look at a Mercedes Sprinter and see a delivery van, but today I'm going to show you something that challenges everything you know about van life. This is the Redtail Overland Skyloft, and it comes with a price tag that will make your jaw drop. $595,000. Now, I know exactly what's going through your mind. $600K for a van? I could buy a house for that. And you're right, you could. It's compact, it's rugged, and it has a secret feature on the roof that no other van in the world can match. Let's dive in and see if this is truly the best RV investment of 2026. Exterior, beyond the surface. Let's start with the face of this beast. At first glance, it keeps that classic, sophisticated Mercedes-Benz profile, but as you get closer, the Overland DNA starts to show. Look at this massive LED light bar integrated above the cab. It's not just for show, it turns the darkest trails into broad daylight. Under the hood, we've got a refined 2.0-liter inline 4-turbo engine. Now, 208 horsepower might not sound like a supercar, but combined with this 9-speed automatic transmission and a high-performance all-wheel drive system, this van is an absolute tractor. Whether you're navigating the muddy back roads of the Pacific Northwest or a snowy pass in the Rockies, the Skyloft doesn't just survive, it thrives. And check out the stance. It sits on heavy-duty 17-inch tires with enough ground clearance to make a Jeep nervous. They've even added a front winch hidden in the bumper. It's that peace of mind, knowing that no matter how deep you go into the wilderness, you have the tools to get back out. Off-grid domination, the silent power. One of the biggest complaints about van life is range anxiety, not for the road, but for your power. Nobody wants to run a noisy generator in the middle of a peaceful forest. Redtail solved this brilliantly. This van is a rolling power plant. It's packed with a massive 14 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank. And look at the roof, completely covered in 330 watts of solar panels. Around the back, they've managed to space like a Tetris Pro. Since the interior is so packed with luxury, they move the dirty storage outside. You've got an optional gearbox for firewood or recovery gear, a bike rack, and even an exterior shower with hot and cold water. Imagine waking up in the desert, taking a warm shower under the open sky, and knowing you've got 40 gallons of fresh water ready to go. This is true off-grid freedom. The interior, a 5-star hotel on wheels. Now, let's step through the sliding door. This is where your $600,000 starts to make sense. The moment you walk in, you aren't greeted by cheap plastic or cramped corners. It feels like a high-end custom apartment. Right in front of you is a smart lounge area. These passenger seats aren't just for travel, they swivel around to create a 4-person dining area with a beautiful foldable table. But look at the kitchen. This is my favorite part. It's a massive galley with deep drawers and the hidden induction cooktop. They even included a custom wine rack with vibration dampening slots for your glasses. Because, let's be honest, if you're camping in a Skyloft, you're doing it with a glass of fine wine in your hand. The showstopper, sleeping in the clouds. But okay, let's get to the real piece of cake. Most vans use a pop-top tent made of fabric. It's noisy, it's cold, and it feels, well, cheap. The Skyloft is different. At the push of a button, the roof elevates to reveal fully insulated carbon fiber hard-shell walls. You climb this sleek ladder and suddenly you're in a secondary master bedroom. It has its own lighting, its own heating and cooling, and massive windows that give you 360-degree views of the stars. It's like having a glass penthouse on top of your van. There's literally nothing else like it on the market. But what do you think? Is a rooftop penthouse worth $600,000, or would you stick with a traditional earth roamer? I want to see your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury overlanding, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Improve Autos for more. I'm out. See you on the next trail.